Welcome everybody. In this video I'll teach you about a heading in HTML. I will show you how you can declare the heading in HTML program, how you can use heading in HTML program. Simply we are going to deal with HTML heading. Yeah, this is our today's lesson. So simply HTML heading I defined with a heading 1 to heading 6, means that the HTML program consists by 6 headings, right? Yeah, HTML headings defined with heading 1 to heading 6, right? With heading 1 to heading 6, like this, means that there are 6 headings in HTML program. So all of these headings are elements which consist by tags, right? Yeah. So in HTML program, heading 1 defines the most important heading. The heading 1 defines the most important heading, right? But the heading 6 defines the last important heading. So means that here I will show you how we can implement it, but here the heading 1 is greater than all of other 5 headings. Also heading 2 is greater than heading 3, heading 4, heading 5 and heading 6, means that here the heading 6 is the 2 smaller than others. So let me show you how you can implement it in coding, right? And remember that in the syntax of HTML, the HTML document must start with this word, doc type HTML, and also HTML as root of our program. Now remember, in heading we have to make the creation of title in heading, but now our title we can call it now like welcome to GWO, for example, welcome to GWO computer tutorials, like this. Yeah, now we already the creation of our title. Yeah, now we are going to start our program in the body section. Remember, I told you that everything right in body will be displayed by web browser. Remember that these HTML programs are displayed by web browsers. So here, as I have told you, if we write heading 1 like this, and in the syntax of HTML I told you that each tag or each element must end with this, you have to put this slash in this symbol, same as the open ones, but for the close you have to put this slash in that tag, right? So here we can now write like this, let me write in lowercase. This is a heading 1, like this. You see, this is the heading 1. to make another heading or to create another heading, also we use heading 2, right? Now, and remember that the HTML is not case sensitive. The uppercase and lowercase, it play the same role here. That's why here I can use uppercase, but here lowercase. Don't worry, no problem. That this is a heading 2, like this, heading 2, right? I can continue until reach to heading 6. Now I can copy these ones like this and paste them here and change only here heading 3, and also here heading 3, heading 4, also here heading 4, right? Then also I can paste that 2 statements here and also change here. Now we are on heading 5, also here on heading 5, but here it's our last or final heading size, heading 6, and here heading 6, right? So this is our headings. Heading is defined from heading 1 to heading 6, means that the largest one is heading 1 and the smallest one is 6, right? So, and also in these comments I have to put here that this is heading number 3, heading number 4, heading number 5, and heading number 6. So if I run this program, let me show you how the output will be displayed. So this will be larger than others, but also this heading number 2 will be greater than these remaining ones, but also this heading number 3 will be greater than heading number 4. So means that from heading 1 to heading 6, the heading 1 is greater than other headings, and also heading 2 is greater than heading 3, 4, 5, and 6, and so on and so forth. So let us run this program. You see, is what I told you. This is heading 1. You see, this is larger than others, and also this heading 2 is greater than heading 3, but also heading 3 is greater than heading 4, and continue in this manner, right? So this is what's called heading. So remember I told you that the last heading is heading number 6. What do you think about when I write like heading 7? It will display an error now, right? Let me show you. You see, automatically it display error here because heading 6 is not defined. That's why it display here red color. So if I put also here heading number 6 and also heading number 6, and I can also put here like this word, this is invalid, for example, invalid login, invalid or invalid heading, right? Invalid heading, like this. So what you will see is this heading which is not like usual. It will display differ from the previous ones. You see how it looks like. It also take the size of heading 6 because also is in heading 6, means that if we reach to the heading 6, other statements will write in heading 6 also will have the same size with heading 6. So let us delete this one because it means nothing here. And also remember, let me show you how you can now run it by using Notepad. Here we are using the HTML Pad 2025, but let me show you also how you can use Notepad to run this HTML code. Yeah, you see, these are what we written before, and I have to delete it. This is our program. And remember to learn HTML document in Notepad. First of all, we have to save it. I can now save here in this folder called general information, and call it heading exercise, like this. For example, exercise 1.html, so as to run it as HTML, because when you save it without put this word .html, it displayed as usual document, like a Word document. But if you put here this .html, it displayed by using web browsers. So you have now to click on save icon. Right now we already finished to save our document. Now I'm going to find it in File Explorer and then run it to show how it will display a Notepad. So remember, our document was doc type HTML exercise 1. This is, so I have to click on it, and then I can open it by using different web browsers here. In the last time we used the Google Chrome, now let us use Microsoft Edge, right? And then click on it just once. So you have to wait for it. You see now this is our output, right? So please, this is the end of our today's presentation. I showed you how you can now use a heading element in HTML document, and also I explained to you that heading is defined from heading 1 to heading 6, as you see on this and output. Yeah, but there are many people who enjoyed with video and forget to make subscribe, to like video, and to share it when is important for them. That's why I remind you to make subscribe, and if this video is helpful for you, please make like and share it to your friends, so as to get the very stunning courses for free with GOO Computer Tutorial. So thank you for watching. See you in next video.